Okay, part two, here's our solution. Every forum I've ever read said big block 427 roller rockers, tall valve covers with power brakes isn't going to happen. Well, here at 515 Innovations, isn't going to happen is kind of what we do. So we had a customer that was insisting on power brakes, keeping his original big block while changing the internals to make it really healthy. And wanted a solution to this problem. We added a little difficulty with going with a hydraulic clutch conversion. So what we did was, this is an electronic master cylinder. There's a pump that's going to mount down on the frame down there. There's plenty of room. And we will change our brake lines. We'll go steel braided brake lines down there at the frame, because this master will have to come off if we ever want to remove this valve cover. But a clevis pin and two nuts and the master will come off to the side to get the valve cover off. So we have a little bit of plating that we have to do on the firewall after we fix the original holes for components we're not using anymore. But I've had a couple of Porsche 944s where it cracks the firewall in between the brake master and the clutch master. You don't really understand how much flex is going on in that firewall between those two, but we're gonna plate the outside, we'll plate the inside, everything will be painted to match. It'll look like it came like that from the factory, which it probably should have. But for all the guys who said it couldn't get done, there it is. We got about 3/4 of an inch clearance between the master and the valve cover. This was not an expensive set of valve covers, so if I got to change the geometry of the valve cover on the back corner back there, I will. There's nothing on the inside of it. That particular roller rocker sits up closer to the intake, so there's practically nothing there. But hit that subscribe button and we will follow this build, and we'll show you guys how to do it, and some other cool stuff too that we got planned for this thing, because I mean, it's pretty modified. So hit that subscribe button and follow the build.